What is NAV and how is it calculated? Mudra Pandit is trying to understand how mutual funds work. Whenever he discusses mutual fund investments with his friends, one term always crops up: NAV. Mudra is perplexed. What is this mysterious NAV? A little bit of research shows him that NAV stands for net asset value, which in simple terms is the price of one unit of a mutual fund. But what is a unit of a mutual fund? An analogy using Mudra's favorite food, pizza, helps him answer the question. A pizza is made up of flour, cheese and vegetables. The price of the pizza is determined by the price of the constituent ingredients. Now, if we were to divide this pizza into 4 slices or 4 units, the value of each unit would be the price of the full pizza divided by the number of units. A mutual fund works on similar principles. Instead of flour, cheese and vegetables, its constituents are stocks and bonds. Just like a pizza is sliced into pieces, a mutual fund is broken up into units. The price of each such unit of a mutual fund is its NAV. NAV is equal to value of all securities a fund holds minus its liabilities divided by the number of outstanding units in the market. The price of a pizza slice may change if the prices of its ingredients change. The proportions of each ingredient in the pizza also affect its price. For example, some pizzas contain more cheese than others and are therefore affected more by changes in the price of cheese. Similarly, the NAV of a mutual fund is affected by changes in the prices of the instruments it has invested in and the shares of the various instruments in the fund's portfolio. The NAV of a fund that invests heavily in stocks will be closely linked to stock market movements. The NAV of mutual funds may be calculated on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. In India, usually it is calculated on a daily basis at the time of closing of the share market. Investors can track the performance of a mutual fund by noting the percentage increase or decrease in its NAV over a period of time. Points to remember: NAV is the price per unit of a mutual fund. NAV is calculated as assets minus liabilities divided by the number of outstanding units. NAV is usually calculated on a daily basis. Performance of a mutual fund can be tracked by rise and fall in its NAV.